Welcome, future LPNs. Today, we're diving into the levels of organization in the human body. Whether you are just starting your nursing journey or need a quick refresher, understanding this concept is key to acing your exams and becoming a top-notch healthcare professional. Think of the human body like a complex and incredibly efficient machine. Just like any well-built machine, it relies on a system of interconnected parts, each with its own specific role. We're going to break down those parts level by level so you can see how they all work together to keep us going. Let's make this easy and fun. We'll use clear explanations, relatable examples, and maybe even a few medical stories along the way. So grab your notebooks, get comfy, and let's get started. All right, let's start with the foundation of it all, cells. Cells are the smallest living units of the human body. Think of them as the tiny factories that keep everything running. Just like a factory has different departments, cells have specialized structures called organelles that carry out specific tasks. Take red blood cells, for example. Their primary job is to transport oxygen throughout the body. They're like those little delivery trucks you see zipping around, making sure every cell gets the oxygen it needs to function. And just like delivery trucks need fuel, our cells need oxygen to produce energy. Now you might be thinking, cells are tiny. How can something so small be so important? Well, the average human body contains trillions of cells. That's right, trillions. And each one plays a crucial role in keeping us alive and kicking. From muscle cells that help us move to nerve cells that transmit signals throughout the body, each type of cell has a unique structure and function. It's like a bustling city with millions of people, each with their own job to do. Understanding cells is crucial for LPNs because so many diseases and conditions occur at the cellular level. By understanding how healthy cells function, you'll be better equipped to understand what goes wrong in disease and how treatments work. Now that we've covered the basics of cells, let's move up a level to tissues. Tissues are groups of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. They are the building blocks of organs and play a crucial role in maintaining the body's structure and function. Think of it like this. If cells are the individual players on a soccer team, tissues are the different positions like defense, midfield, and offense. Each position has a unique role, but they all work together to win the game. One type of tissue you'll see a lot in your nursing career is muscle tissue. It's fascinating because it comes in different forms and serves various functions. Muscle tissue is responsible for movement. Without it, we wouldn't be able to perform even the simplest tasks like lifting a cup or walking across a room. When you think of muscles, you might picture biceps and quads, but muscle tissue is also found in your heart, your digestive system, and even your blood vessels. Each type of muscle tissue has a specialized function that is vital for our survival. There are three main types of muscle tissue: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Each type has unique characteristics and functions. Skeletal muscle is what we use for voluntary movements like walking, talking, and dancing. It's the muscle type that we can control consciously. Smooth muscle, on the other hand, is found in our internal organs and helps with things like digestion and blood pressure regulation. Unlike skeletal muscle, smooth muscle works involuntarily. And cardiac muscle, that's the powerhouse tissue that keeps our heart beating. It's a specialized form of muscle tissue that works tirelessly to pump blood throughout our body. Another important type of tissue is nervous tissue, which is made up of specialized cells called neurons. These cells are essential for communication within the body. Neurons are like the body's electrical wiring, transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. They enable us to think, feel, and respond to our environment. They're responsible for everything from feeling a gentle touch to solving complex math problems. Without neurons, our bodies wouldn't be able to function properly. Understanding the different types of tissues and their functions is essential for LPNs. This knowledge helps in diagnosing and treating various medical conditions. You'll need to know how to identify different tissues under a microscope, and you'll need to understand how tissue damage can affect the body's overall function. This understanding is crucial for providing effective patient care and improving health outcomes. Chapter 3. Organs. Specialized structures, vital functions. Let's move up another level in our journey through the human body and talk about organs. These incredible structures are the building blocks of our bodily functions. Organs are structures made up of two or more different types of tissues that work together to perform a specific function. They are the specialized units that keep our bodies running smoothly. Think of organs like the different departments in a hospital, each with its own specialized team and purpose. Just as each department in a hospital has a unique role, each organ has a specific function that is crucial to our survival. Let's take the heart, for example. This vital organ is at the core of our circulatory system. The heart is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every cell. It's made up of muscle tissue, nervous tissue, connective tissue, and epithelial tissue, all working together in perfect harmony. Each type of tissue plays a critical role in the heart's function. The muscle tissue contracts to pump blood, creating the force needed to circulate blood throughout the body. The nervous tissue regulates the heart rate, ensuring that the heart beats in a coordinated and efficient manner. The connective tissue holds everything together, providing structure and support to the heart. And the epithelial tissue lines the chambers and valves, protecting the heart and ensuring smooth blood flow. Another vital organ is the stomach. This organ plays a key role in digestion. The stomach is like the body's very own food processor, breaking down food into smaller molecules that can be absorbed by the body. It uses a combination of mechanical and chemical processes to achieve this. It uses muscle tissue to churn and mix food with digestive juices, breaking it down into a semi-liquid form called chyme. Epithelial tissue protects its lining from the harsh acids, preventing damage to the stomach walls. And nervous tissue regulates the digestive process, coordinating the release of digestive enzymes and the movement of food through the digestive tract. From the lungs that allow us to breathe, providing oxygen to our blood, to the kidneys that filter our blood, removing waste and balancing fluids, each organ plays a critical role in maintaining the body's overall health and well-being. They work together in a complex and coordinated system to keep us alive and functioning. As an LPN, you'll need to be familiar with the structure and function of all the major organs, understanding how they interact and support each other, as well as the common diseases and conditions that can affect them. This knowledge is essential for providing comprehensive and effective patient care. Chapter 4. Organ Systems, the Symphony of Life. We've arrived at the highest level of organization in the human body, organ systems. These systems are the pinnacle of biological complexity, integrating various organs to perform the most sophisticated functions that sustain life. Organ systems are groups of organs that work together to perform complex functions essential for life. Each system is a marvel of biological engineering, ensuring that our bodies operate smoothly and efficiently. Think of organ systems like the different departments in a city, each responsible for maintaining order and providing essential services. Just as a city relies on its departments to function, our bodies depend on these systems to maintain health and balance. Let's take the respiratory system as an example. This system is crucial for our survival as it manages the vital exchange of gases that keeps us alive. The respiratory system is responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide, a process we know as breathing. This exchange is fundamental to cellular respiration, which powers every cell in our body. It includes organs like the lungs, trachea, windpipe, and diaphragm, all working in sync to ensure our bodies receive a constant supply of oxygen. Without this coordinated effort, our cells would be deprived of the oxygen they need to function. Then there's the digestive system, responsible for breaking down food into nutrients the body can absorb and use for energy, growth, and repair. This system transforms the food we eat into the building blocks of life. This system includes organs like the stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, and pancreas, each playing a crucial role in the digestive process. Together, they ensure that nutrients are efficiently extracted and waste is expelled. We can't forget about the circulatory system, with its powerful heart pumping blood through a vast network of blood vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in the body. This system is the lifeline that keeps our tissues nourished and healthy. This system also plays a vital role in transporting waste products away from cells and regulating body temperature. By maintaining homeostasis, the circulatory system helps keep our internal environment stable and conducive to life. The human body has 11 major organ systems, each with its own unique set of organs and functions. These systems include the nervous, endocrine, immune, and more, all contributing to the intricate symphony of life. Understanding how these systems work together is crucial for LPNs, as many diseases and conditions affect multiple organ systems simultaneously. This knowledge enables healthcare professionals to provide comprehensive care and improve patient outcomes. That's it for today. Keep these levels of organization in mind and you'll be one step closer to acing your exams. Remember, the human body is an incredible machine and understanding how it works at every level is essential for providing excellent patient care. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. We'll be covering more essential nursing concepts soon, so stay tuned. See you next time.